English Phrases Unpacked. Foot exercise. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase that often trips people up. Foot exercise. What does it actually mean? And how can you use it in everyday conversation? Stick around as we explore the ins and outs of this phrase. When we think of foot exercise, the first thing that comes to mind is probably the literal action of exercising the feet. It could refer to any physical activity that strengthens or improves the flexibility of the foot muscles. Interestingly, foot exercise can also have a figurative meaning. It's sometimes used humorously to refer to walking, especially when someone has to walk more than they expected. I didn't plan on this much foot exercise when the elevator broke down. In some English-speaking regions, foot exercise may be used in colloquial expressions. For example, someone might say, "I'm getting my daily foot exercise chasing after the kids," to mean they're running around a lot as part of their routine. Let's see how to use foot exercise in a sentence. The doctor recommended some foot exercise to help with my ankle sprain. We had quite the foot exercise touring the city all day. And that's a wrap on foot exercise. Whether you're talking about a workout for your toes or the unexpected trek you had to make to work today, you're now equipped to use this phrase like a native speaker. We hope this video has stepped up your English game. See you next time.